Hello everyone, today I am going to be showing you how to integrate BitBucket projects using testRigor. So let's go ahead and get started by logging into our testRigor account. Perfect. And as you can see here, we created a sample project that only uses one test case. And on the first page, you will see this rerun button that you can use to retest your test suite manually if needed. We also have the CI/CD integration here on the left side of our screen, and if you open this tab, you will find this script that shows you how to integrate testRigor with other CI pipelines, and in this case, like I said, we will just be using BitBucket for testing purposes. So I will go ahead and give a quick overview of what we do here in this CI/CD integration tab. So the first command in this script is curl. And this command will start retesting the entire suite. As you can see, it uses an authentication token on the top. This token is unique for your application, so it will be a little bit different for everyone, but you can just copy and paste this command from the suite that you are using. It can also provide you some additional information, like stored values and things like that. After it retests, it will sleep for about 10 seconds and then continue running things out in the loop. And then, depending on the results, one of two things will either happen. It will either exit with a 0, which means it was successfully finished, which is great, or it will exit with a 1, which means we have a failure or the status is unknown, which is not typical, but it may happen. So if the test is running and in progress, the loop will continue. So we are going to head over to our BitBucket account. So this is the BitBucket project that we have created already to demo. In BitBucket, you have pipelines. BitBucket will offer to create a pipeline for you, but we had already created one just for demo purposes today. So what we're going to do is examine this BitBucket pipeline file right here, which only has one pipeline in there. So the script here is called testRigor sh, and we use the bin bash command to run this script. Since we cannot run this directly because it does not have an executable attribute in the BitBucket system, we have to use the bin bash command. So now let's go ahead and examine this testRigor sh file. It is the same file that we discovered in the previous step in our testRigor account. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So you can see we have one commute. So let's go ahead and push. Click enter. Great. Now we should expect that the pipeline will start executing. As you can see here, it is in progress. Now let's go to the test. So we can see that the test is running here at the top. Great. Now we just wait a couple of minutes for the test to finish. The test should finish soon and be ready shortly. But while we wait, we can click on the pipeline and see the output of the command. And we can see that the command is in progress and that the test is running. Perfect. The test is complete and we can see that it was done and successful. And we can actually go back to our pipelines and see the successful status here. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that is all for the video.